Hi everyone, thank you for clicking up video and having a look at today's instalment. Decided to go to Tandle Hills. I've not been for donkeys. Anyone that doesn't know, Tandle Hills, it's a country park, sits just outside Royton. Used to be part of Middleton, but at some point Royton took it over. It's about 110 acres. And it has a combination of beach, woodland and open grassland. Now, the trees that they planted in are the beech trees. I believe they were planted just after Peterloo because the local men had used it as, practicing for marching for when they went down to Peterloo and they got massacred and what have you. And to stop men going back up there again and practicing drills and marches, they decided to plant all these trees. So some of the trees that you'll see are like from that time, hundreds of years old. There's obviously new ones as well. But there's some beautiful sights, and I hope you like the video. I'll pop in and out, and I am also gobbing it as I go around as well. So hopefully you like it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. That noise you can hear is just some kids banging away at some musical instruments. They've changed into a play area for them. But I quite like the noise. We're making our way up the hill now because they closed the bridge off. And we're trying to get up to the top. We want to go and look at the memorial for the fellas that died at Peterloo in 1819. And also I want to look at the war memorial, and then we're going to walk down the other way and take in some of the sights. Look at this. Where's that going to? Look at this old gate.
Yeah, that used to open that, didn't it? So
there must have been a house up here then.
there was. This big house just round the corner that pulled down.
Up here?
Round there.
Oh, down here?
Yeah.
Who lived there?
I don't know.
So we're coming up now to the plaque which commemorates the people of Peterloo. In 1820 there was a massacre in Manchester. People who were basically campaigning against economic hardship, and they did the training in Tandle Hills, and this is the stone to commemorate it. 1819 men from Royton drilled here before the demonstration on 16th of August 1819, now known as the Peterloo. Not with the loaded muskets and the steel, an important milestone, the struggle for democracy. I had to mute the sound up here because it was just so windy, it just sounded awful. But I wanted to tell you about this war memorial. It was actually unveiled on the 22nd of October 1921 by the Earl of Derby, and it's made out of Portland stone. It did have some plaques in bronze that listed the fallen, but someone decided to nick them back in 1969. What they've done is they've made some more, but they've installed them in the grounds of St Paul's Church in Royton. So I'll get over there at some point and film that and put it on if anyone's interested. These stairs are a godsend. I wanted to show you this beautiful, well, it's just a little tiny, tiny, tiny little water thing. It's absolutely stunning up here, you know. I didn't do that much filming coming up because, quite frankly, I'm trying to sort of get myself up this big massive ravine, and I mean, it's just trees which are stunning, so I thought I'll do the filming on the way back down and it'll be easier just to show a little bit of it. But these trees are phenomenal. Look at these. Look at them.
It looks like people have picked the ones from down here and there's only them left.
It was donated in the memory of that lady, Catherine Mary Brown, in 1992, and then you've got people that are writing on it, and that's pretty bad. Oh! Look at him. Is he a puppy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, what is he?
Pug.
A pug? Yeah. Can I look at you? Looks terrified. Oh, gorgeous.
Scared of everything at the moment.
Oops.
Because no, just sat kind of sun, and I didn't, it's kind of